Today I'll be swapping out a hose assembly. This hose here was pierced, and I believe it was the culprit of killing the distributor because it was wetting it. And I actually fixed the part that was pierced. Got some new hose here and it's a nice coupler. But then after I started the car, it started to leak from here, from this steel part. Then after doing some investigating on the forums, I found that everyone that tried to save this hose assembly failed and ended up having to get a new one. So needless to say, there it is. That's the brand new one, straight from GM. They don't have this in any of the aftermarket stores. So that whole assembly, just because of a leak here. Okay, let's dig in.